What is driving you?
Yes, well, I mean, the consistency, what drives you is whatever dream and goal you're trying to accomplish, right? So you've got to have that. Nothing else matters. And again, that's an internal thing. You either want the result or you don't. You know, what drives a guitar player to practice guitar every single day? Oh, how do you find hours to play the guitar every day? How do you find hours to get good at golf? How on earth does anybody find the time to get good at golf? Well, they want to get good at golf. They don't do other things while they're taking the time to get good at golf, because you can't get good at golf and do a lot of other things. So anything you want to get good at, you have to have a desire to get good at that, right? So then you start to make decisions about what you're going to do and what you're not going to do. And I've always been a proponent of quality time. Okay, I don't sit around with my kids, never did sit around with my kids just watching TV and doing all these things and just not doing anything but saying I'm spending time with my kids. I spent quality time with my kids. Even today, they're older. Hey, let's have breakfast. And maybe once a month, we're going to have breakfast. And it's going to be a one-on-one conversation.